In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple turmeric and lemon salad dressing that will add a healthy extra kick to your salad meals with super healthy and natural ingredients with lots of body boosting qualities. I will explain the benefits of having this salad dressing as part of a regular diet and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy dressing consists of only 7 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are half a teaspoon of garlic, 1 cup of lemon juice, 5 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, a pinch of salt, 1 to 2 slices of ginger, half a teaspoon of organic honey. Once you have everything gathered, add all the contents to a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. This super simple salad dressing will be a perfect addition to your healthy salads and meals that will add lots of flavour and is packed with lots of nutrients that is perfect for sustained energy throughout the day. This is a simple dressing that won't take long to prepare and you will be surprised with how great it actually tastes. Helps to satisfy your appetite while leaving you feeling fully energised. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and have more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to get you started. Again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.